Hi everybody, this is Louis Angel Baharagan, and I'm here to show you all the Munipals um, wooden train collection. New York City Subway, Long Island Railroad, I mentioned Orange, and the New Jersey Transit. Only wooden trains of the Munipals company. So first we'll start with the New York City Transit, the 7th Avenue lines, 1, 2, and 3. So here we have the one train Broadway 7th Avenue local R62A model. In the past, they used to make R142 one trains, but they now make R62As one trains. Yeah, there can be really crowded one trains sometimes, and also there can be really crowded two trains. So here we have the two line 700 Express R142 model. And now the 3-line 7 Avenue Express R62 model. The R62 3 trains used to run on the 4 line, but the 4 train has R42 and R42As, and the R62 4 trains send it to the 3 line. And that's it for the 7th Avenue trains. And then the Lexington Avenue trains 4, 5, and 6. Here we have the 4 line Lexington Avenue Express R142 and R42A. The train is a little old. So, yeah. In the past, they used to make R142 R62 4 trains, but like I said, they sent to the 3 line because of the R42 and R42As on the 4 line. They make R42 and R42A 4 trains now. And now the 5 line Lexington Express, the R142 model. And the 6th line Lexington Avenue local R142A model. Yeah, most R142A 6 train are still rebuilding to R188 and send it to the 7 line. And that's why the R62As are running on the 6, because they came from the 7 because of the R188s. Yeah. And that's it for the 7th Avenue lines. Lexington Avenue line. And now we have the Flushing line, the only Flushing local 7 train, R62A model. Maybe they will release the R188 7 trains, because all our R188 7 trains will replace all R62A 7 trains. And just like I said before, the R62As are in the 6th line came from the 7. So maybe they'll make R188 7 trains. This is an R62A 7 train. Hey, that's it for the number lines of the New York City Transit. And now, time for the letter lines. First, start with the 8th Avenue trains, the A, C, and E lines. Here we have the A train, 8th Avenue Express, the R46 model. This kind of looks like an R44A train, but the R44A trains still run on the New York City Transit, but they run on the Staten Island Railway. Yeah. In the past, they used to make R168 trains, but they make R46A trains. And then we have the C train, 8th Avenue Local, R32 model, the oldest train that's still running in New York City Transit. 51 years in service. This is 2015. They started running in 1964. But the 51st birthday of the R32s is in September 6th, around September 6th. And this is 2015. And these trains started running in 1964. And then we have the E train, 8th Avenue Local, R160 model. The R32s and R42s stopped running on the E line. They now have R160 trains. This is 8th Avenue Local. That's it for the 8th Avenue trains. And then we have the 6th Avenue trains. B, D, F, and M lines. The B train, 6th Avenue Express, the R68, R68A model. Yeah, the only letters that run to the Bronx are the B and D lines. And here we have the D train, 6th Avenue Express, the R68 model. Yeah. And then we have the F line, 6th Avenue Local, R160 model. In the past, they make R46A F trains, but now they make R160 F trains. So, I never have the R46 F trains. And then the M train, 6th Avenue Local, R160A model. This M train runs from Queens and then come back to Queens. Yeah, on weekdays it does, but on weekends it runs as a shuttle between Metropolitan Avenue Middle Village and Myrtle Avenue Broadway. That's it for the 6th Avenue line. And then we have the Nassau Street lines, J, M, and Z lines. The J train, Nassau Street Express, the R160A model. This train is old. And then we have the original M line, brown M train, Nassau Street Local, R160A model. They don't make brown M trains anymore. They make orange M trains. The last time they make brown M trains is around 2012. And then we have the Z line, Nassau Street Express, 160 model. That's it for the Nassau Street trains. And then we have the L train, the 14th Street Canarsie Local, the R43 and R60 model. Yeah. And then we have the G line, the Brooklyn Queens Crosstown Local, the only train that doesn't go to Manhattan. This is an R46 model, but now they make R60 and R68AG trains. This is an R46G train. Yeah, the G train now runs as R68 and R68A. They don't have R46G trains anymore. Okay, let's see. That's it for. And now the Broadway lines, NQ and R. They don't make W trains. Here we have the N train, Broadway Express, but now it's local since there's no W trains anymore. This is an R60 model. And then the Q line, Broadway Express, R160 model. This Q train replaces the W train running to Astoria Ditmars Boulevard. But in the future, the W train will come back. The Q line will go to Harlem 125th Street via 2nd Avenue with the T train. And the N train will be express. And the R train, it will stay normal. Here we have the R line, Broadway local, R46 model. I wonder when they will build R211s, because they say that the R211s will replace all R46s. I wonder when they will build them. Well, I will miss the R46s when there are R211s. And then last but not least, the New York City subway line is the S42nd Street Shuttle train, R62A model. They should make I don't know if they will make our other shuttle trains. There are only 2 shuttles left. The Rockaway Park Shuttle, R46, and Franklin Avenue Shuttle, R68s. And this is a 42nd Street Shuttle, R62A. This is the only shuttle they have. They should make other shuttles. And that's it for the New York City Transit. And then we have the Long Island Railroad and the Metro North. Here we have the Long Island Railroad. So in each pack, they on the Long Island Railroad and the Metro North, each pack has 2 car sets. It can connect each car. And then here we have the Metro North Railroad. Yeah, they're similar, but the only difference is the front and the back of the cars. This one is blue. The Long Island Railroad is black and yellow. And then last but not least, we have the New Jersey Transit trains. I only have 2, but they have 3. I don't have the Comet V locomotive. I mean the Comet V commuter. So here we have the multi-level. Yeah. There are 2 floors in each of these trains. And then we have the ALP46 locomotive. I wish I can get. I don't know if I can get the Comet V commuter on the New Jersey Transit train. So that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. Please leave a comment, subscribe for me for more videos, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Bye.